How to get musty smell out of your carpet, detailed guide. Have you ever walked into a room and immediately been hit with a musty odor coming from your carpet? Well, don't worry. Roll up your sleeves as we show you how to get musty smell out of your carpet for good. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Identify the source of the musty odor in the carpet. First of all, it's important to understand that musty odors on your carpet can be caused by a variety of factors. It could be caused by water damage, mildew, mold, and more. The key to getting rid of the odor is to identify the source of the problem. Once you've done that, you can then address it accordingly. To begin the process, inspect the carpet and the surrounding area to identify the source of the odor. Some things to look out for include signs of water damage. Check for any water stains on the carpet or walls. Check for any signs of excess moisture or dampness in the area as well. Signs of mold or mildew. Look for any visible signs of mold or mildew. This could be black or green spots on the carpet or walls. Accumulation of dirt or debris. Check for any areas of the carpet that may have accumulated dirt or debris. Such items can contribute to musty odors. Once you've identified the source of the odor, do the next step. Vacuum the carpet. Doing this will remove any loose dirt and debris from your carpet that may be contributing to the musty odor. Before you begin vacuuming, make sure the area around the carpet is clear. Remove any furniture, toys, or other items that may be in the way. If there are any stains on the carpet, pre-treat them with a stain remover before you start vacuuming. This will help loosen any dirt or debris that may be trapped in the fibers. It's best to use a vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter. This will ensure that any odor-causing particles are trapped and not released back into the air. HEPA filters are designed to capture microscopic particles, such as dust mites and pet dander. These particles can also contribute to musty odors. Start by vacuuming in a crisscross pattern across the carpet. Make sure to cover the entire surface. Be sure to overlap your strokes to ensure that you don't miss any areas. Attach the crevice tool attachment to your vacuum cleaner. Use it to clean along the baseboards and any hard-to-reach areas, such as corners and edges. Once you've finished vacuuming, empty the dustbin and clean the filter. This will ensure that your vacuum cleaner works efficiently and effectively next time. After vacuuming, you can use any of these three methods to get rid of the musty smell. Use baking soda, method 1. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer. Here's how to use it. Sprinkle the baking soda evenly over the entire carpet. Make sure to cover all areas. You can use your hands or a shaker to apply the baking soda. Work the baking soda into the carpet fibers to ensure that it is fully absorbed. You may add a few drops of essential oil to the baking soda for a fresh scent. But this is optional. Let the baking soda sit on the carpet for several hours or overnight. This will give it enough time to absorb any musty odors lingering in the carpet fibers. After the baking soda has had time to sit, it's time to vacuum it up. To vacuum up the baking soda, make sure the vacuum cleaner's dustbin is empty. You need to ensure that the filter is clean as well. Doing these things will ensure that your device is working at maximum efficiency. Now that you are ready, use your vacuum cleaner to remove the baking soda from the carpet. Start at one end of the room and work your way across the carpet. Make sure to overlap your strokes to ensure that all the baking soda is removed. When vacuuming up the baking soda, move the vacuum slowly. This will ensure that all the baking soda is removed from the carpet fibers. This will also help the vacuum cleaner to remove any lingering odors. Once you've finished vacuuming, check the filter to make sure it is still clean. If it is clogged with baking soda, remove the filter. Then, clean it before using the vacuum cleaner again. Use vinegar to clean the carpet, method 2. Vinegar is a natural cleaning agent. Follow these instructions to use it. Mix equal parts of water and white vinegar in the spray bottle. Before using the solution on your carpet, test it on a small, inconspicuous area of the carpet. This way, you'll confirm that it doesn't damage or discolor the fibers. Once you've tested the solution, spray it onto the carpet. Make sure to cover all the areas affected by the musty odor. Avoid saturating the carpet with the solution. Let the solution sit on the carpet for several minutes. This will allow the solution to penetrate the fibers and remove any lingering odors. Use a clean dry cloth or paper towels to blot up the solution from the carpet. Continue blotting until the carpet is dry. Use an enzymatic cleaner, method 3. Using an enzymatic cleaner is another effective way to remove musty odors from your carpet. Look for a product that is specifically designed to remove odors and stains from carpets. Before applying the enzymatic cleaner on your carpet, test it on a small, inconspicuous area of the carpet. Doing this will ensure that it doesn't damage or discolor the fibers. Once you are sure it won't damage your carpet, apply the enzymatic cleaner on the affected area. Ensure that you follow the instructions on the product label on how to apply the cleaner. Allow the cleaner to sit on the carpet for the recommended amount of time. This is usually between 10 to 20 minutes. This will give the enzymes time to break down the odor-causing bacteria. Use a clean dry cloth or paper towels to blot up the enzymatic cleaner from the carpet. Make sure to remove as much of the cleaner as possible. This is important as any remaining residue can attract dirt and dust. Allow the carpet to dry. Do this step immediately after using any of the odor removal methods discussed already. It's more important if you use the white vinegar and enzymatic cleaner method. The baking soda method might not need this step. However, it's a good idea to wait a while before walking on or using the carpet. Allowing the carpet to dry completely will prevent mold and mildew growth. Here are some tips to keep in mind when allowing the carpet to dry. Open windows and doors and turn on any fans or ventilation systems in the room. Doing this will increase airflow. It will also help evaporate the moisture from the carpet more quickly. If the humidity level in the room is high, consider using a dehumidifier to remove excess moisture from the air. While the carpet is still wet, avoid walking on it or placing any furniture on it. This can slow down the drying process and cause damage to the carpet fibers. Bear in mind that it can take several hours or even a day or two for the carpet to dry completely. This depends on the size of the carpet and the level of moisture. If it's possible to air dry your carpet, that would be the best option. In that case, take it out to an area where it's exposed to free-flowing air and direct sunlight. In addition to drying your carpet faster, exposing it to direct sunlight also helps eliminate any lingering odors. This is because the UV rays of the sun break down compounds that cause odors. But that said, be careful when exposing your carpet to sunlight. Those rays can also fade the colors if the carpet is left out in the sun for too long. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.